Hello guys, I'm Bilgi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Python in VSCode for Windows and Linux. Firstly, if you are using Windows, open your web browser and type Python, install, download Python, and download Python for whatever version you want. When you are installing in Windows, don't forget to press the checkbox named Add to Path, because if you don't, in a big project or in a big library, you might need to install Python to the path, and if you do press the checkbox, it does this automatically. Now in Linux, most of the distributions comes with Python. Because of that, you can check with Python 3 version. Yeah, I have Python. Because of that, I don't need to install it. Now open up VS Code. And I'm going to show you some extensions. Install these extensions that I'm going to show you by searching up the extension and install them. Firstly, install the Python extension. Then if you want to, install Pylance and Python debugger. And I don't remember I installed this, but I think it comes with any of this, I don't know. And install the Python Indent extension, because I think it's a very good Python indentation extension. Because of that, I want you to install this. Then create a new folder, projects, open the projects folder, and new file, project.py, and now print, yeah, and it works. Have a great day. Bye.